everybody. I'm Bo. If you need to repair, replace, or rebuild your cylinder block, then consider a Cat Reman short block. It includes a crankshaft, cylinder block, cylinder liners, pistons, and connecting rods. All combined, they're designed to perform like new for a fraction of new price with core return. To remanufacture short blocks, we disassemble the crankshaft, engine block group, rod, and piston. Then, we clean and inspect them for cracks and other damage. During salvage, we resurface the top decks to Caterpillar quality specifications and regrind and polish the crankshafts. Meanwhile, each bearing, seal, gasket, and piston ring is replaced with 100% new Cat parts. Lastly, they're tested and validated before re-entering the supply chain, backed by a same-as-new Caterpillar limited warranty. If your overhaul requires a cylinder head, camshaft, front gear train, and housing in addition to the replacement block, consider Cat Reman long blocks. In the meantime, reach out to your local authorized Cat dealer for any questions and visit cat.com/reman for more details.